Good afternoon, class. Miss Mary here again, conducting class for week 4 on lower CPE. Today we are going to do Unit 5, Safety and Danger. Turn to page 51. You can see the title as Safety and Danger. Okay, look at that big picture here. Okay, remaining unmarried, exposure to radiation, riding in a car, being a coal miner, choking on food, being bitten by an animal or an insect, being struck by lightning, being a male. Okay, now introduction. Rank the activities above according to the risk they pose to our life expectancy. Begin with the activity you think possess the greatest risk. Then compare your choices with the partners. Check your answers on page 164. Okay. Next, sometimes people are afraid of things which in themselves are not necessarily dangerous. Can you explain what these fears are all about? Many kinds of fear. Actually, class, to tell you very frankly, fear actually paralyzes us. Okay. Next, we're going to do a little bit of listening. Listen to a clinical psychologist talking about dealing with fears and phobias and make notes under the headings below about what she says. Discuss with a partner how far of what she says relates to your own attitudes towards risk taking. What are the risk takers? What are the risk taking attitudes are here? Influences on our attitudes towards new situation, the importance of taking risk, how to approach our fears, building confidence. Just to share a light moment, say about 3 to 4 years ago, I used to listen to this famous clinical psychologist by the name of Paul Jambunathan. Okay, he always spoke about dealing with fears and phobias. If given a chance, I think y'all should go and watch him on YouTube. Just type Paul Jambunathan and you can see and listen to whatever he talks about dealing with fears and phobias. Next, complete sentences A to F to form collocations with danger and risk. What are the words here which are dangerous and risky? Grave, calculated, inherent, imminent, averse, and fraught. Okay. Next, you got to discuss these questions. What do you think is the greatest danger we face? What is the most dangerous thing you have ever done? If you look at A, what do you think is the greatest danger we face? Right now, we are facing the danger of COVID-19, which is very suitable for our topic today. Apart from those mentioned in 2 above, do you know of any other phobias? Do you suffer from any phobias? Well, we all suffer from many kind of phobias. Trust me, after the cease or after the disappearance of COVID-19, we will still live in phobias, especially when someone next to us sneezes or coughs. This phobia will never leave us. It will take us to the grave. Okay, next class. Look at page 52, reading and use of English. Describe what is happening in the picture on the left. What qualities would people need to be able to do this kind of job? Rather dangerous, yeah? What risks would be involved? Could you cope with looking down from the height like this? Why and why not? Or looking from height is a most dangerous thing that I wouldn't want to do. Okay? Next, read the text below, ignoring the gaps, to find out what kind of unusual trip the tourists went in. Next, exam practice. Read the text again for question 1 to 8. Decide which answer, A, B, C, D, or E, best fits each gap. Okay, it's a little easy also. It talks about the Australia's Sydney Harbour Bridge. I'm sure many of you all have been there. Okay, next, vocabulary. Look again at question 7 in exercise 3 on page 52. The word glare, glimpse, gaze, and glance are used to describe different ways of looking at something. Complete A to G with a word from the list. You can use some words more than once. Peek, glimpse, glare, gaze and glance. We use this, but we must use it for the correct sentence, for the correct situation. Match this adjective to the words in list in 4. Okay, next, use the words from the list in 4 as verbs or nouns and appropriate form of the words in 5 to make sentences of your own. Okay, making sentences of your own is another way to improve your writing. Next, read the article on page 52 again and underline all the past modal forms. Which of the past modals are used to express these meanings in the test? A comparison, an obligation that was not fulfilled, an action which proved to be unnecessary, a positive deduction, a negative deduction. You got to find the expression there, yeah? Next, complete the text below about a photo of the bridge using an appropriate model and the word in bracket. There may be more than one answer. Okay, class? I think that's all for now. Till we meet again, stay home, stay blessed. Bye-bye.